Well, Hawaii County Civil Defense Director Darryl Oliveira joining us live from the Big Island via phone with the very latest. Darryl, what have we seen so far of Ana for the Big Island?
Well, today we did see some increase in surf heights starting in the Puna area at Pohoiki. Surf was reported everywhere from in that area from 6 to 15 feet, depending upon the location. We also saw surf pick up down in the Punaluu area of Kau, as well as winds in that area. Nothing substantial that was causing any problems as far as trees or power lines. But in the Ocean View area of the Kau district, we had reports of sustained winds of 30 miles an hour along the highway at the 1,800-foot elevation, with obviously higher winds at the 4,500-foot elevation, as high as 40 miles per hour with higher gusts. Fortunately, we haven't had any problems so far, but we are preparing for the next wave, which is going to be the rain coming onshore very shortly. And we'll be monitoring that and anticipating possible flood conditions.
I know that our reporter Brenton Awa has been on the Big Island since yesterday, and he talked to some of those near the shore who are concerned about storm surge coming in, which we saw with Isel as well.
That's correct, and especially those low-lying communities like Kapoho, Kalapana, Poiki, and even the King's Landing here in Hilo, as well as the system moves up the north side of the north direction on the west side of the island, even the communities in Kona. So we did make an effort yesterday and the day before with those low-lying communities, going door to door and reminding those residents of that potential, as well as increasing our messaging and notification in the communities in Kona about the possible surge impact with the system as it moves northward.
I know it feels like you just went through this with Tropical Storm Isel. What do you think that the island has learned since then? What sort of steps are you implementing after going through such a large tropical storm not that long ago?
Well, I think one is the unpredictability with the forecasting of weather events, that it can change and change at a moment's notice. So preparedness is very critical. Monitoring the authorities for information so people can make timely decisions. Preparedness, doing what you can while time allows and the conditions allow, rather than waiting for the last minute. So I think the community has learned valuable lessons, just as we have here at Civil Defense with that door-to-door notification. That was a gap that we identified coming out of Isel, making sure that communities in remote areas that may not have access to radio or TV broadcasts, that we get down there and notify them so they can be aware of what's coming and take the necessary precautions. So I think lessons were learned across the entire community, not just the residents, but even those of us in emergency response, and how we can do things better to prevent any possible loss of life or injury.
And turning quickly while we have you on the phone, from the storm to the lava flow, what is the latest there, and how are residents doing, bracing themselves ahead of that?
Well, fortunately, as the storm was approaching, the eruption took a complete turn and stalled. So right now there has been very little to no forward advancement of the lava flow, but it is widening at the flow front. There's no indication that the activity is going to stop. So we are preparing for the eventual progression of this flow down through the community and affecting roadways and major highways, as well as the residents and businesses. So, the community has been very good about coming out to our informational meetings and staying informed as the conditions change with the lava flow, as well as they've been very patient and understanding with the frustration of that particular event, because it's going to be a very slow and drawn-out process. So it's not something that's going to be like a storm where it comes through in a matter of days and it's over. This is something that could go on, as we've seen in Kalapana, for years.
All right, thank you so much for joining us. Darryl Oliveira, Civil Defense Head for the Big Island. We'll check in with you a little later this evening. Aloha.